Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite no sound on Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. If you're struggling to hear any sound in your game, then simply first of all start by going to your profile, then go to the settings section, and then go to the audio. Make sure that the main and all the voices are set to the max, and also when you go down, you're going to see the background audio and the audio output device. Make sure that the audio output device is set to the correct one that you are currently using, and then from there you're going to exit the game. Go ahead and search for sound settings right here. And then from here, you're going to make sure that the output device is matching with the managed sound devices, and the output device is the one that you have already on. Then from here, you're going to go to the sound, right click and go to sounds. Then from here, you're going to go to the playback and make sure that the speaker is fully on and set to the default right here. Finally, you're going to go to right click again and then go to open volume mixer and make sure that the game, which is Fortnite, is going to be at the max volume or higher than the lower minimum. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.